good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be watching this from. This is Cornelius Lubinda with another video. So in this video, I'm going to continue from question number 2 of the examples, and then from question number 2, we'll see. In the next videos, we're going to do question number 3 and question number 4. So in this video, we're only going to do question number 2, the next video question number 3, and in another video question number 4. Alright, let's get on with the question. We have the question, if x is equal to 2t minus 1 raised to the power 3, find a the s dt. Then b, we have the value of t for which the s dt is equal to 24. Let us start by writing first of all the function s is equal to 2t minus 1 raised to the power 3. So in this question, we would have used the chain rule here, okay? But I will not use the chain rule here. As I said in the previous video, in this question we are going to use the core, okay? In this question we are going to use the one which involves the core. Okay, so for question A, to find our ds dt, it will be equal to derivative of the entire function. So it will be 3 multiplied by the number that is in front of the brackets or the parentheses, which is here there's an invisible 1. 3 multiplied by the invisible 1, it is there 3. And then you maintain the core, which is the number, which is the expression inside the brackets. So 2t minus 1, like that. So I maintain the core. But the power to which the core is raised, which is in this case power 3, we subtract a 1, it becomes power 2. We multiply by the derivative of the core. The derivative of the core is whatever is inside the brackets here, okay? You differentiate it. So differentiate 2t, you're going to just remain with 2. And then if you differentiate negative 1, you're going to have 0. Okay? The derivative of a constant is 0. Then you have your final answer. We can't leave it like this. So if you have numbers like this, just multiply them. Your ds dt would be equal to 6 2t minus 1 squared. So 6 you multiply by 2t minus a 1, which has to be squared. So if you want to use the chain rule here, you would find this same answer, but I'm not using the chain rule so that we can get used to both methods. Okay? So this is your ds dt. And then your b says, find the value of t for which ds dt is equal to 24. So this is your ds dt, okay, for your b. So your ds dt is 6 multiplied by 2t minus 1 squared is equal to 24. Okay, so to proceed, we repeat what we have written. 2t minus a 1 squared is equal to a 24. So I haven't changed anything. We divide both sides by 6 so that we can just remain with that part. 6 into itself is 1, 6 into itself is 1, into itself is 1. Now into 24, it is a 4. So I'm going to remain with 2t minus 1, okay, raised to the power 2 is equal to a 4. And then to proceed here, okay, as we can see, 2t minus 1 raised to the power 2 is equal to a 4. We apply the square root to both sides of the equation. When we apply the square root to both sides, we always remember the plus or minus. Square root of 4, like that. So the squared, okay, the square root to the power 2 will cancel out with the square root, which will remain with 2t minus a 1 is equal to plus or minus 2. then 2t minus 1 is equal to 2, or 2t minus 1 is equal to negative 2. And then here we have 2t is equal to this 2, the negative 1 goes to the other side, it becomes a plus 1. Then 2t is equal to negative 2, negative 1 goes to the other side, it becomes a plus 1. And then again, to proceed, we are going to clean up. You have your 2t is equal to 2 plus 1 is a 3, you divide by 2, you divide by 2. 2 can go into itself 1, into itself 1. T is equal to a 3 over 2. And then here, 2t is equal to negative 1 plus a positive 1. And negative 2 plus a positive 1, you're going to have a negative 1. You divide both sides by 2. 2 into itself 1, 2 into itself 1. T is equal to negative 1 over 2. T is equal to 3 over 2. So even though they say the value of t is to substitute these two, okay, into this, you're going to have 24. So wherever there is t here, you put 3 over 2, or you put negative 1 over 2, you're going to have a final answer of 24 if you were to prove that particular these two particular answers. So therefore, we can conclude. Therefore, t is equal to 1 over 2, or t is equal to 3 over 2, or t is equal to negative 1 over 2. This marks the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Kanidas with another video, and bye-bye.